You know, if you ask most people in Texas what is Barratry, 99% of them will not even know what it means. But it's a legal term that goes back to medieval England, where at that time, if you went out and tried to solicit a case or tried to stir up litigation or were a vexatious litigant, that was considered to be illegal and you could be criminally prosecuted for that. Now, in Texas today, it's a third-degree felony carrying with it a prison term of 10 years, a $10,000 fine, and usually is involved with the practice of law or those who are associated with the practice of law.
We've seen an increase in high-profile Barratry cases. Why is that?
I think it really is being driven by the insurance companies who do not want people to understand their rights, because in most parts of the world, the Barratry statute is now not illegal. So in most parts of the country and the world that had Barratry, it's now considered not to be a crime. But in Texas, because of tort reform and because the insurance companies don't want people to know their rights, we have criminalized this statute. And now district attorneys, most recently in Harris County and in Montgomery County, are prosecuting attorneys for this act of Barratry.
So how are these district attorneys investigating the cases of Barratry?
This has been a new phenomenon. They've now been using undercover agents, they've used search warrants, they've used recordings, and we see them being much more aggressive in going after clients and going after attorneys who are associated with clients to make the cases of Barratry against them.
Now, we talked about the typical punishment. There's also a civil component to this, correct?
There is. Now, under the new law on the civil side, a person who has been wrongfully solicited can collect up to $10,000 and also get attorney's fees. So an attorney or a person involved in what's alleged to be Barratry can be hit with both a criminal statute and a civil lawsuit.
So if a person is charged with Barratry, what should they do?
Well, my advice, of course, is to find some attorney that's had experience with this statute. Now, along with that statute, there may also be, for an attorney, the prosecution by the Bar of Texas. So they have criminal liability, they may lose their license. Parts of that may also involve the unauthorized practice of law, and all of this is a very technical area that an attorney who's charged with any of these crimes needs to find someone who's knowledgeable about those crimes.
Does your law firm handle these types of cases?
We've handled them for over a decade, and we've been very successful in handling them for our clients. I think it's very important to find an attorney who knows this law, who's been in front of disciplinary committees before, who knows what the unauthorized practice of law committees will do, who knows about the civil litigation and civil exposure, and can work hard for the attorney who's charged with this type of alleged crime.